fucking bad out there, yo. Look at the yard. Look at the ice, nigga. How you supposed to walk on the ice, right? Fuck out of here. Fuck Ronnie. Just like that. Fight. Listen, leave it. I'll do it. Fuck 2011, I'm tightening. I got a new way to tighten. Leave everything loose. Yeah, everything's canceled, right? All the ships are canceled. Yo! Yeah! I need a 4 high. 4 high bar?
You got the 4 high and 3 high. Not number 3, don't last number 3.
No, number 3 is good, nigga.
You don't need a 3 high no more? Put it away?
No, I don't need a 3 high, I need a 4 high.
Alright. Now open up the whole. Everything I open up except for 1 high. Good? The 4 high?
Everything's already open. Just I'm waiting for the 4 high, that's it. I already opened everything.
1 high to 6.
Yeah, I opened everything already. There's only one shoe you gotta open too. This one. No, it's open. Just one of them you gotta open. Yeah. The 5 high, I don't know how we're gonna do about that.
Why?
Yeah.
What other one? That's it?
That's it. Everything I already opened everything with the 3 high. What happened?
Put it down over there, we can't get it. Right?
Nah, we gotta stop. Pass it to him in the middle. Let him deal with it. So he could pass it through the covers. All those other covers are empty, so he don't have to really go far. The pipe stays up here because we have to do that other thing.
Yeah, but what if we go to another bay?
There ain't no other bay, my nigga. It's just this. Everything's still discharging holes. Rito! Anything else? The 5 high, right? But the 5 high bar can open it. The mate, maybe.
Yo, you think anything else is gonna load?
Discharge. So, yo, I need the pipe up here or what? I'm gonna leave my pipe up here. They gonna fix this or no? Take it down, man. Take it down. Take it down, because if God, you know what I'm saying? Gotta come back. They probably fucking do this till tomorrow.
I just want them to send us all. We can't go down that way.
Can't go that way. I'm making my. This is a Gold TV. Holla at the kid.
Have an opposite, nigga.
Huh?
What you said was the opposite.
What? He got me, right? Yo, I think Ski took that side.
I think he seen it.
Cause he seen it, son. Guarantee. I was like, why is Ski on that side? Guarantee he's seen it.
You guys have some material loose, right?
Yeah.
Get some mates, let me sweep that up with the food.
Oh no. They put the bars here. Nigga, they put up the bars here, nigga. Nigga, trust me. Nah, there's bars here.
Told you that.
There's bars here. But I can't do it. Get the fuck out of here. Nigga, my feet will get wet. Look at my boots. They gotta do something with that.
So you gotta get yourself some regulars.
Yeah, I know. Ravens like $300. So they guarantee they're
Guaranteed for life.
guaranteed for life. You take them back to the store.
No, that's just you can't do that side fucking 260.
Huh?
Shut up.
What are you gonna do?
This side, is that good also?
I can't do that side. That's their side. Oh, you left us. Oh, okay. All right, Leo. That's what company's for. I left that mate, yo. Mate. There's no bar. You gotta look for those bars. Look for those bars. That's over there. You gonna look for that shit like that? Look, you gotta dig for that shit. Let them dig for it. Oh, let me get a shovel at least. You heard? Wait, but don't fuck around. Wait, nigga. Yo. You know a lot. Yo, that fucking side is buried. All here is buried. I'm telling mate, give me a shovel or something. No, the forward end. On the floor, even though it has the fucking cover, it's buried. After end is beautiful. After end is good, but the forward end, you gotta get something. This is one of the best ships we have. And here we got the bathroom. It says don't use, but we use it. Got a couch, a table, bunk beds. Show you the bathroom. Hold on a second. Nice bathroom. Shower. Disgusting toilet. And here, on Sunday, I started this. Got my key. Here's my sweater. Here's my snap. My sweater. You know what I'm saying? Put that there Sunday. It's still there. Let's also use jerk offs. Snap right there, sun is beaming. You're my friend. No good over there. Forward end, no bars. It's too much snow. I need shovel. Shovel. I'm only doing that one time too. Look, you can't even walk through here. They want you to go over. They want you to walk through this fucking thing.
Which is the box gonna come out? 4 inch short?
3 inch short.
3 inch short?
Yeah, second height.
6 height.
Oh yeah, it's a 6 height. I gotta be open. Friend. Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
Pac-Man. Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah, Manny Pacquiao. Puerto Rico. Philippines. Puerto Rico. Puto.
Coto.
Yeah.
Salsadero Coto. My friend. I take a shovel.